In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to gift skins in League of Legends 2025. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to send a skin to a friend with confidence. Start by opening your League client and heading straight to the store. You'll find the store icon in the top right corner of the client. It looks like a small stack of coins, so if you're scanning the interface, that's the symbol you're looking for. Click it to open the store. This is the hub for anything you want to buy or gift. Once you're inside the store, look again to the top right. There's a dedicated gift icon that opens the gifting center. Go ahead and click that. This is where all gifting options live in one place, so you won't need to hunt around different menus. Inside the gifting center, you'll see your friends list. Click the player you want to send a gift to. Take a second to make sure you've selected the correct friend, especially if you have similar names in your list. Keep in mind that gifting works within your region, and your friends need to be eligible to receive gifts according to current game rules. If someone doesn't appear, that usually means they don't meet the requirements or they're not on the right list yet. After you pick the recipient, you'll be asked to choose the type of gift. Select skins. This focuses the options so you can browse only skin gifts, making it much easier to find something your friend will love. Now, select the skin you want to unlock for that player. You'll see a variety of choices, from classic looks to newer releases. It's a good idea to pick a skin for a champion they enjoy playing so they can make the most of it. If the store shows pricing, that simply reflects the cost required to complete the gift. The client will guide you through any brief on-screen prompts, and everything happens right inside this flow. And that's it. Once you've selected the skin, the gift is set up and delivered through the game's gifting system. You don't need to leave the store or switch tabs. If something doesn't show up immediately, give it a moment or two. The client typically updates quickly. If you prefer, you can let your friend know to check their notifications so they can equip the new look right away. Follow these steps each time you want to send a skin, and you'll be gifting in just a few clicks, all from the familiar store and gifting center inside your League client. Enjoy making someone's day with a fresh skin.